All right, I'm back here. Elite Paintless Dent Repair, Tampa, Florida. We got the Cadillac CTS, metallic cherry red. This thing turned out fabulous. We took some real good time in this. Smudge. Flawless. This is one for the record books. This one turned out perfect. I cannot stress enough the quality of good dent repair. Please don't just hire anybody. If you look at the orange peel in the light, you can see there's no flaws. You can't see any the remnants that even polished up there was like a mark where the dent was. It turned out great. Customer came out super happy. That is an access point through the light, not a hole. It was already there. So we use the light to get through, the tail light that is. And I access the inside. It was double paneled. Very sharp. Cross check up and down.